magandang araw. Ako po si Mark Lester Niragat. Ito po ang aking daily devotion ngayong May 10. Show your faith by doing your best. Jehoash, na tinalakay po ni Pastor Russell Ocampo sa 1065 Daily Devotions. Ang Bible verse po yung araw ay galing sa 2 Kings chapter 13 verse 14 to 21. Sabi po ay, the death of Elisha. Now when Elisha had fallen sick with illness of which he was to die, Joash king of Israel went down to him and wept before him, crying, my father, the chariots of Israel and its horsemen. And Elisha said to him, take a bow and arrows. So he took a bow and arrows. Then he said to the king of Israel, draw the bow and draw it. And Elisha laid his hands on the king's hand, and he said, open the window eastward, and he opened it. Then Elisha said, shoot, and he shot. And he said, the Lord's arrow of victory, the arrow of victory over Syria, for you shall fight in the Syrian in Apec until you have made an end of them. And he said, take the arrows, and he took them. And he said to the king of Israel, strike the ground with them. And he struck 3 times and stopped. Then the man of God was angry with him and said, you should have struck 5 or 6 times, then you would struck down Syria until you had made an end of it. But now you will strike down Syria only 3 times. Sa verse na ito, makikita natin ang huling pakikipag-usap ng propetang si Elisha kay King Jehoash. Binigyan siya ng Diyos ng promise ng victory laban sa kanilang kalaban. At ang first teaching is, God declares victory for Israel. Bago pa magsimula ang laban, sinabi na ng Diyos na magkakaroon sila ng victory. Ipinapakita nito na ang Diyos ay kayang magbigay ng pag-asa kahit sa sitwasyong parang imposible. Ganito rin sa buhay natin. Minsan bago pa natin makita ang breakthrough, may promise na ang Diyos na kasama natin siya. At kapag ang Diyos na nagsabing may victory, may dahilan tayo para magtiwala. Second, God demands wholehearted faith. Inutusan ni Elisha si Jehoash na hampasin ang mga arrows sa lupa. Pero 3 beses lang niya itong ginawa at tumigil siya. Nagalit sa Elisha dahil pinakita nito ang kahulugan ng full faith at full effort. Parang kalahati ng expectation niya sa gagawin ng Diyos. Ganito rin minsan tayo. Gusto natin ng blessing ng Diyos, pero kulang ang effort, kulang ang faith natin, kulang ang commitment natin. Ang wholehearted faith ay hindi half-hearted sa pagsunod. Binibigay natin ang best. At ang last, God blesses according to the measure of one's faith. Dahil 3 beses lang hinampas ni Jehoash ang arrows, limitado rin ang magiging victory nila. Pinapakita nito na may connection ng faith natin sa response natin sa Diyos. Dahil kailangan nating i-impress ang Diyos. Kundi dahil pinapakita ng actions natin kung gaano tayo nagtitiwala sa Kanya. Faith is not passive. Faith acts. Ang devotion na ito ay paalala na ang tunay na faith ay nakikita sa kung paano natin ibinibigay ang best natin sa Diyos. Yun lang.